Good morning. Today, 24th April 2020. Welcome back to your social study class. Today we are going to start new lesson in geography. Lesson number 1. The name of the lesson is The Earth and the Solar System. Now, as you all know that we are all a part of the universe. Now, the question arises, what is the meaning of universe? Let me tell you. The universe consists of everything that exists in the space. That means it includes the stars, the planets, satellites, sun, moon, everything. Now we understood the meaning of universe. But the next question which arises in our mind is how this universe was created. For this, we'll study the Big Bang theory, which is currently the most accepted theory to explain the origin of the universe. According to this theory, around 14 billion years ago, everything that makes up the universe today was contained in a tiny point. Suddenly, this extremely dense point exploded, and all the matter it contained was thrown out into space. This explosion is known as the Big Bang. The universe was born at this point. From then, the universe continued to expand and is still expanding. Now next, we are going to understand the topic celestial body. All the objects that we see in the sky are called heavenly bodies or celestial bodies. They include the stars, planets, satellites, comets, meteors, and asteroids. Our own Earth is also a part of this system, and thus it is also called a heavenly body. The word celestial is derived from a Latin word, celestis, which means sky. Now, let us try to understand these celestial bodies one by one. And the first one is stars. Stars are self-luminous bodies which have their own heat and light. Stars are made up of hot burning gases. They are the largest celestial bodies known in space. It is believed that stars are formed when large clouds of gases and dust, called nebulas, shrink and heat up, setting off chemical reactions. The reactions produced large amount of heat and light, which are released into space, and a star is born. Stars appear to twinkle because they are very far away from the earth. Before reaching us, the light from the stars has to pass through several layers of the atmosphere which have varying densities. Therefore, the stars appear to twinkle. The sun is the closest star to us. No wonder it appears so big and bright. Stars are so far placed in the space that their distance cannot be expressed in kilometers. Now, next is galaxy. Millions of stars, gas, and dust held together by the force of gravity form a galaxy. The universe consists of millions of galaxies. The universe is still expanding as new stars are being born. Our solar system belongs to one such of these galaxies called the Akashganga or the Milky Way. This galaxy is named so because it is like a white band. It consists of millions of stars. The Sun is one such star. There are millions of stars in the sky. Some of the stars appear to be arranged in patterns called constellations. Legendary tales of courage, beauty, and evil surround these stars. One of the most easily spotted constellation is Saptarishi. It is a group of 7 stars. In the past, people used to determine directions in the night with the help of the position of stars. Some other prominent constellations include the Orion, the Scorpius, and the Leo. The Orion resembles a hunter's figure, the Scorpius resembles a Scorpio, and the Leo resembles a lion. Till now, scientists have identified and named 88 constellations in the night sky. That's all for today. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.